Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can search games in Play Store. So you may ask me like something, is that difficult to search games in Google Play? Definitely not. But my intention is how you can get through some good games, good gameplays with user experience, graphics, and the quality and the gameplay. Then open Play Store now, and first thing you need to is filter games. Tap on this one so that this filter only games. When you click on apps, this will be apps. You need to shift to games, and now just here, just scroll to the bottom, and Google Play will ask you what are you interested in. This is what I am going to mention in this video. For example, if you are someone who are interested in action games, you can tap on this so that in this also under action, if you want something like racing, you can just give the search filters like this and click on submit. So this will deliver you all the games under actions and racing. And yeah, here also under this, here also you can go somewhere to games we are playing now, stylized games, offline games. So if someone who are interested in games without internet, you can go through this. And what I'm going to say is editor choice. These are the apps or the games which are highly valuable or worthy to try, because editor choice are these are officially from the Google Play Store only. The Play Store people will usually suggest this editors in the sense from the Play Store, and these are the games they'll be usually highly user rated. See here 4.4, 4.2, 4.0. You can click on this arrow and just go through the apps available, sorry, games. If you want to install, you can click on here and install. And if you want to check the games with the highest ratings, then you need to press on this back and click on the search. And now for example, when you click on search under explore games, for example, if you like the simulation games, you need to tap on the simulation games, and here you need to click on this rating and click on 5 and above. So all over the world, people who rated 5 and above simulations game will be available here. Here also you can again filter with editor choice. Both high rated and the editor choice games will be filtered now. In this way you will have the best experience. Sometimes I personally felt like I downloaded few of the games with lot of ads, and they are not good user interface games with very low quality graphics, and the gameplay is also not at all good. I need to install then uninstall. My mobile network was wasted. So maybe uh, by going through this tutorial, it may be helpful for someone. See here, for multiplayer games you can search. Okay, if you want search for family related, you can search few games. Yeah, in this way you can make use of this. And for example, some people like puzzles with highest rating will be filtered, and now you can check and install them. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.